This is DJI's next step in shaping the film industry. Introducing Ronin-SC. Designed as the all-in-one workhorse for almost any type of filmmaking, including travel, event, and even feature film productions, Ronin-SC is packed with incredible features that offer the ultimate flexibility for single or multiple operators on any set. And with compatibility over a broad range of camera models and a maximum payload of 3.6 kilograms, Ronin-SC provides precision and the ability to produce cinematic camera moves for every filmmaker. An 8-pin connector offers direct start-stop control, while two 4-pin connectors support the hardware options, like an external focus motor and onboard power for the camera. The detachable battery allows for seamless mounting and versatility. A 4-pin receiver port grants universal connectivity with third-party controllers. When shooting complex scenes, optional remote controllers enables a second operator to collaborate, with a suite of accessories, including DJI Force Pro and Master Wheels. Ronin-SC meets the needs of filmmakers of all levels. Additional modules can be added to customize Ronin-SC for more challenging scenarios. The Ronin-SC app complements the gimbal, giving filmmakers even greater control over their creativity. Wherever your passion takes you, Ronin-SC is the companion that lets you film with total control over your vision.